I'm gonna go ahead and get straight into this video, but today we're gonna talk about a way you can do this virtually to where you don't have to go get a truck, you don't have to go get the business license or the insurance and all that good stuff. We're gonna get right into this right now. So today we're gonna have a one-on-one conversation about these different ways you can get these jobs from realtors, right? Now, I talked to my realtor earlier in the week and he shared some news with me. Now, this is good news and bad news. The banks are starting to crack down and they're starting to want a little bit more from the people who want these jobs. When you're starting a business like this, you have to make sure you have all your ducks in a row. I'm talking about your business license and your insurance, your equipment, and the employees you're gonna be working with. Since 2021, some rules have changed. They now require you to have insurance that covers up to a certain amount depending on the job that you accept, and you have to have workers' comp for your employees now. You can't just hire, different people to come help you unless you're doing it yourself. That will be one option. But you know me, I like to create new ways to get around the system. I am so ready to share this with y'all. I've been in this business since 2015. The first time I thought about this idea was when I was 17 years old in high school. I wasn't even old enough to get a business license. This sat in my mind for so long, so when I graduated, I actually did it. Now the bad thing about, well, I wouldn't say the bad thing. One con about cleaning out these homes is it's a lot of work. It's a lot of trash. It's a lot, it's a lot of money that you get paid, but you're going to be doing some heavy lifting, trust and believe. One way you can do this business virtually is kind of the same steps in the same method, but the only thing your job is going to be now is going out and finding junk removal services that's in your area. So instead of you being the head of everything, you can hand over the job to somebody else. That sounds real easy to me and less of a headache. You would contact the realtors and you would contact junk removal services and you would connect the two. So whenever your realtor needs a job, you have a list of different junk removal services that you can phone up and have them sent over to each job. So the question is, well, how do I make money doing this? If the service is charging $800, you add the extra fee on there that you want. It can be $200, $300, however much you think would be a good deal for the realtor. So once they finish that job, you're gonna get your cut and your team has already been paid. By doing this, you can have more houses a week. You're not just stuck with one house, and you don't have to worry about hiring employees, having insurance for them, having insurance for the house, getting the truck. It's a lot. So if you hire someone who already has these things, you can scale your business out and you can realistically make some money, okay? The most important thing with hiring out is just making sure that these people know what they're doing, because this is going to fall back on you. So basically you're going to be an agency or the middleman, the connector, the virtual assistant, whatever you want to call yourself. You're going to be working for the realtor and the junk removal services that you find. One easy way to do this is to make a list of them and have them on your call log. Don't just have one junk removal service. Try to find 10 or 20 if you can, because remember, you don't have to go to these houses. They're gonna be going. You just have to make sure they make it on time and they complete the job. So the next step will be building this company. What kind of agency are you gonna have? Are you gonna focus on construction sites, apartment complexes, old buildings, foreclosed homes? The choice is yours. Or you can do all of them. I have a guide that will help you get started with this virtual journey, and I also have a guide for the junk removal service if you still want to start yourself and build from scratch. And it's going to be down in the description below. If you're more of a person that likes to dig deeper, I also have all the forms, the planners, everything you need to find these jobs will be on there. In our next video, I'm gonna get a little bit more deep into details on other things that you can do online that can help you make money. So that way, if you're not in a position to do something like this, you have other options. If you are interested in learning more about this, comment down below, learn more, so that way I can make additional videos for this topic. And I'm speaking about the virtual. I have plenty of videos about starting from scratch on my YouTube channel that you can check out. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I will be sharing more information with y'all in this next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you in my next video.